How you doing, guys? Junior here once again, and today I'm gonna bring you some execution kills. Hope you like the video.
What's happening? On the wrong track, yeah, I'm back again. I'm drinking, I'm paddling. Blacked out room and I'm traveling. Good ideas, I'm liking them. Now I'm babbling. Wonder how to fix these damages. All these damages. Cover myself with bandages from all these damages. Wonder how to fix these damages. All these damages. Cover myself with bandages from all these damages. I can take you straight to heaven.
Remember to hit the like button if you like this video, share it with your friends. It really helps me out. Thank you very much. Until next time.